Hi guys, and I'm Dheeraj. My project is Transportation LLM, and here is my front end work. I have used React, Tailwind, and Bootstrap for the front end, so it can be responsive. Most of the project is responsive, which can it means it can be opened anywhere on the any device. So I have used White. So I have to enter npm run dev to start it. So basically, it's gonna take time to load everything. So here it is. Welcome to Transportation LLM Services, and uh, it does these all things. Let me just sign up. We have to sign up to use this chatbot. So let's just sign up. I have used the Clerk API for a login process. I'm for now I'm using just Google for the login. And here it is. I'm using any of these accounts, and then I'm signing up. Here you can see I use Clerk. Okay. Yeah. So basically, the this is the UI part, and we use the Tailwind to style everything. And if I go here and enter chatbot, yeah, here it is. The chatbot is here, and now I'm gonna enter any prompt. Let's say, how can I apply for driving license? So I'm gonna hit send, and now it takes some few seconds to process everything and generates output. Yeah, here it is. Uh, so basically, it also says how you have to navigate in the website. Actually, the main purpose of this is to help users to navigate easily in the government websites, as it is very complex for few users to navigate uh, through all the tabs in it. So here it says directly, it shows click on an driving license and you can go there. So it's how it works. And if I go here and this is my front end part. Uh, let's say here it is. We'll go to home, dashboard and home. Yeah. Yeah. This is what front end home page where we have seen carousels and small cards over there. And then if we navigate here, we have the code for that chatbot. Actually, it's just the front end code, like just those input boxes and that. But the main code is bought from a Flask file. I will talk about it again. Let's see how it works. So here it is. So it fetches fetches the output from port 3000. Like it sends the user uh, it sends user queries to the port number 3000 where the Flask is running, and then again the Flask process everything, and it sends the question to the model, and model regenerates generates the response and gives back to 3000 port number. So from there, this chatbot fetches and displays as we have seen here. And let's say if I want to prompt something which is unrelated to any transportation services. Let's say, yeah, how can I go to space? Okay, I'll hit enter. Yeah, see, as you can see, now I have typed a query which is not related to anything about transportation LLM. So, generate, sorry, it is not related to this transportation thing. So, it basically says you can ask about anything about transportation LLM. So basically, that's how it works. It only generates the queries which is related only to the transportation LLM part. I mean, so basically, we fetch all the queries from the government website, parivahan.gov.in. So basically, it is a standard website for Telangana transportation. We are only staying up to Telangana part as every state has its own rules and regulations about the transportation. So we can integrate this to different websites if we feed up the model with different set of data. And let's go to the Flask part. Yeah. Here is the Flask code. Yeah, we can see we have used the Llama model here over here, and then just we are just seeing if it is related, like if the queries are related to the transportation part or not over where over here. And then here is all code where the queries are sent and the response is received from. Yeah, here is the all everything, and here we can see as we saw before. It this thing checks if the query is anything related to the transportation LLM or not. So if the query matches two or more words in this set of array, then it fetches from the model. So it helps to minimize the loading time. If anything is not related to transportation LLM, why go to the model and say it is not related to LLM? Directly, we can use some keywords to fetch to see if it is if the query is related anything to this transportation LLM or not. Yeah, here we just did some prompting like how to take admission in a college as it is not like not related anything related to transportation LLM. It's just invalid thing. So, and we are thinking that we can, not going to this link, we are thinking to integrate over here. Like when we click this chatbot, it opens some hovering block. So we can, yeah, no interface is running right now. Yeah. So here we can type everything. So it will be easy for the user to navigate, not to, yeah, not to navigate from page to page and directly do any queries from the home page. Yeah, and as we have seen, this is the front end part, and I hope everything is cleared. And let me show you the this what it is the architecture diagram and workflow. Okay, and, if we go here and we have here PPT. Yeah. Uh, okay, it's loading. And yeah, here it is. We did web scraping. My bad. Yeah, we did web scraping and then preparation and loading of the data set. And then we tokenized into chunks, small block of code, and then into small bits like words. Then we did vector generation and stored in a vector DB. And then we did the comparison check, right? We have seen those keywords if it is present in the query or not from the input, user input. And if it is not similar, as we have seen, it generates a no output, like it says it is not from anything related to transportation LLM. And if it is related to, if it is anything related to that, and it says it goes retrieves related dogs, pass to LLM, and generate a response. And then again, gives back to the user. This is the workflow design of the project. Means basically the LLM part, chatbot part, and this is the architecture. As I have told you, like I have used React, Tailwind, and then Bootstrap 2 for front end part. And from front end, we send queries to Flask, and it sends the queries to model, and model again sends to Flask the response, and then it goes back to the front end part. And here we, as I told you, we have used Clerk for authentication of the user, and if he is actually a genuine user or some just a bot is accessing the LLM thing. So here we can see the training model. Uh, we have a data set and we prepare the data for the RAG implementation, and we send all the data to Microsoft Pi model. It is an LLM model. It is a LLM model, and then sends it creates a model and again sends back to here backend part. So basically, this is the architecture of our project. Yeah, I hope everything is understood till now. Yeah, and thank you.